It's my pleasure to open the fourth ACOS, and I'm actually very, very glad to see lots of people here today in person.
This year's event, we focus 100% on sustainability applications. I think it's absolutely the right focus. Computational science has been instrumental in highlighting the problem. Without climate modeling, we would not understand the problem that we have at hand.
I think the breadth of ACOS is really great. We get to see stuff from water management today to even the very details of atomic systems on the quantum level.
As a Dutch Research Council, we think it's very important that the community of researchers get together, and of course a conference like this is really a great opportunity for that, to increase your network, to discuss about your research.
I really miss to be in here. I think it is much more easy to contact with people and talk with presenters in person.
I think people are willing to share more when it's live.
Yeah, of course, all people are welcome from this field, and we really invite them to join next year ACOS. So we're looking forward to welcoming these people. Yeah.
This is really a place where you can meet each other, make ideas for new projects to work together, and really make computational science in the Netherlands much stronger than it is now, or even stronger than it is now.